How to fix Snapchat add-in friends. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we talk about how to fix this problem on your Snapchat. Of course, just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Snapchat. Open then Snapchat like this, scroll down and go to storage. Here on storage, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, and click OK. And then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. And what you should do next, guys, you have to go to this option here, permission, and you have to go to as you see here, remove permission if and free up space. You have to make it like this, and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in another video.